guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel, I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be cash stuffing my first paycheck in September. All right, so before we count this money, I do want to take a drink of my sparkling water. This is the coconut pineapple, and I just cracked this open in my last video, so I don't want to just waste it. Okay, just a little bit disclaimer. I am working with a light here and natural light. I'm at my mom's, and there's two skylight windows, but it's currently about to storm. So I don't know how this video is going to be, if it's going to be dark or not. It looks kind of good in this angle that I'm at. There is a shade, there is a shadow on the side here, but hopefully that's okay for you guys. All right, so let's just count to see how much we are cash stuffing. Today, I am going to be cash stuffing my cash envelope, my sinking funds, and also my bills. Okay, so let's just get started. So we have 51, 152. That's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we are cash stuffing $750 of real cash. And then for prop money, I have $636. Let's just count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 55, 20, 40, 60, 80, 96, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start with my cash envelope for my wallet. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this good. We are gonna start with my eating out category. Eating out is going to get 50. So that's 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. How is everyone's September going? I cannot believe it's already almost mid-September. Time is just flying by. If you did not see my last video, I did do a little bit of an update towards the end of my video. I did have my surgery and I am recovering well. Right now I'm in a little bit of pain, but nothing too crazy. It's more my incisions, like internally, but I'm just gonna push through this. Okay, so spending is going to get 80. So that's 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Compra is going to get 180. So that's 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80. I am still cash stuffing my envelopes as if I was working, only because I don't want to kind of miss the swing of things. I want to keep things as is, and if I have extra cash roll over into my saving challenges, then that's great. My last weekly on stuffing, I did save $20, so gas is going to get $100. Let's just make sure that this is 100. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 100, and then 20. It has started to storm, so if you hear raindrops, it's because it's on the skyline. All right, so what's this? Household is going to get a $20 bill. Household now has 20, 40, 55, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Okay, now we're going to go to this binder here. We're going to do future rent. Future rent is getting 100 this time, so it's getting 250s. Future rent now has 1,100. This money is money that's sitting in my eyelash saving account, collecting interest. So that's 1,100. 100, 200. So that's 300. 1,100, 150, 200, 250, 1,300. Cell phone is getting a 25. Cell phone now has 20, 35, 45, 50. Okay, that is it for this binder. Now I'm going to reset this up and we're going to start with my bills. Okay, we're going to start with my rent. Rent is getting $285. So that's 1, 2, 50, 70, 85. JEA is going to get 48. So that's 20, 40, 45, 46. Let me do it here. So that's 20, 40, 45, 47, 48. I wonder how the sound is right now. I have no clue. Comcast is getting 105. So that's 105. Car insurance is getting 154. That's 152.4. Renter's insurance is getting 16. So that's 10, 15, 16. I think I messed up. No, I didn't. Okay. So Apple storage is getting... Oh, the light just went off. Apple storage is getting 3. 1, 2, 3. Apple Music is not getting stuff this paycheck. Neither is CBS. My medical is next paycheck. And then the gym is going to get the last 25. You guys, it is starting to storm. It was so bad yesterday. Okay, so now I'm going to reset up my real cash and we're going to start doing my sinking funds. Okay, we're going to start off with my anniversary gifts. Each envelope is going to get $5. Let me get my calculator so we can calculate how much each has. MWP is getting a 5. 1, 2, 5, 10. That's $210. TAP is also getting a 5. TAP now has 50, 70, 95, 100. Okay, between both envelopes, I have $310. Delight is going to get a 10. Delight now has 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 5, 65, 75, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $95. I'm gonna swap this out off camera with my eating out because that is a gross bill. Gosh, I don't want to rip this envelope. Like, why is it so hard to get this money in? Okay, let's see what's next. Gifts is getting a 5. Gifts now has 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3. Nope. It should have 48. 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. I might have took out too much in my last unstuffing. I have to double check because this binder, this envelope should have $48 and it's, so yeah, something went wrong. I'll have to just figure it out off camera, but okay, yeah, this envelope has $43. It should have 48. I'll figure it out afterwards because I'm pressed for time right now. Okay, so the next one is going to be planner. I know I said I was gonna stop cash stuffing this, but let's just see. Planner now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Home decor is getting a 10. Home decor now has 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, so I'm thinking this is where it was because home decor should have $95. So I will move the funds off camera because it is raining. The light flickered before. Okay, so the next one is going to be supplies. Supplies is getting a 10. Supplies now has 10, 25, 35, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Support a friend is getting a 10. So now we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Okay, so now we're gonna cash stuff my high priority sinking funds. Ooh, wait, it is thundering. Okay, we're gonna start with car maintenance. Oh, I was supposed to show you guys my little list here of what's getting stuffed, but I was so discombobulated because it's raining and yeah, but this actually changed. It's actually, I put 150 there. This only got cash stuff with 100, but this is my little breakdown. I got this from simpleshopz. So cute. Okay, so car maintenance is getting 15. Car maintenance now has 500, 600, 700, and 50, 70, 90, 810, 830, 840, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Whoa, these lights are flickering. It's scaring me. Car maintenance now has 500, 600, 700. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 800, and 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 900, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 66, 67, 967. Yep, that is correct. I might have to pause this and come back. I don't know. I have to see. Medical is getting a 10. Medical now has 500, 600, 750, 770, 780, 90, 800, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Emergency is also getting a 10. I'm like low-key internally like freaking out because this thunder is getting a little bit worse. Okay, so emergency is getting a 10. And these lights keep flickering. I don't know if I'm gonna edit them in. I'll see. So emergency fund has 500, 600, 700, 800, 910, 20, 30, 45. So that's 945. Travel is also getting a 10. Travel has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 96, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So that's 630. Savings is getting a 10. Savings now has 500 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, $600. Okay, 1 to 3 monthly expenses is also getting a 10, but I'm going to swap this out for a 20. I'm going to put a 20 in and put this 10 down. So that's 1,000, 2,500, and 20, 40, 60. So that's 2,560. Okay, so the last money remaining should be 70, 20, 40, 60, 70. And that is for my box challenge from simpleshopz. Okay, this is it. Someone had mentioned that this is a different 100 envelope challenge. It's not 100 envelopes, it's monthly challenges. So each month has 2 amounts that you save. So today I'm going to be cash stuffing the $50 and I'm going to be cash stuffing the full 50 and then $10 of this 80, only because just to split it up per my paychecks. So I'm going to cash stuff 20, 40, 50 inside of this envelope here. And then I'm going to cash stuff $10 of this 80. No, $20 of this 80 inside of this envelope. That way my next paycheck, all I have to save is 60. All right, that is it, you guys. I have no cash left. I've cashed stuffed everything. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Let me take a sip of my sparkling water. And the rain has subsided a little bit. Thank you for making it this far. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this emoji. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about this video. And go ahead, leave me a turtle emoji because I'm looking at a turtle on the refrigerator. It's like a little magnet. That way I know you are at this point. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, day, or night. And if you're not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.